Hello friends, welcome back to Blessify. Today we have a delicious recipe for Seviyan or Seviyan or Sevay. However you like to call it, one thing is for sure, they are delicious and so comforting, and it's the perfect dessert with a beautiful cup of chai or tea. And in this recipe you can accomplish this dessert in less than 10 minutes. So let's get started. So these are the ingredients that we're going to use. So of course you need some vermicelli or Seviyan, 150 grams. You also need 1 cup of sugar. You can also use less if you like it less sweet. 1 tablespoon of crushed cardamom and a handful of your favorite nuts. Here we use some walnuts, some pistachios, and some cashews. We also use some dried milk or KHOYA. This is optional. And of course you need some ghee. Here we have some homemade ghee, and you need 2 cups of milk that you're going to boil. So we start off with putting 1 tablespoon of ghee in a pan and roasting all of the nuts. And roasting the nuts just enhances their flavor and they taste so much better than just raw nuts. So it only takes about 2 to 3 minutes for the nuts to turn a nice golden color, and then you're going to take them out into a plate and set aside. We're going to use them in a few minutes. So just put them in a dish, and now we're going to start roasting the Seviyan or the vermicelli. So take about 1 tablespoon of ghee. Make sure you break your vermicelli into small pieces so that it's easier to eat them, and they're a lot more manageable to eat with a fork like this. So just roast them for about 2 minutes in the ghee, and then we're going to add all of the milk that we put in a in a pot to boil. So our milk is already boiled. So just continue stirring. Make sure that all of the vermicelli is covered in the ghee. Now we're going to add all of the boiled milk. We have 2 cups of milk. So this is gonna make a lot of noise. Don't worry, it's normal. Now we added 1 cup of sugar, and we're just going to mix everything together, and the sugar is going to dissolve rapidly because the milk is already very hot. So this is really important. Make sure you continue stirring it so that nothing burns. And here goes the cardamom. Cardamom gives this whole dessert a beautiful and warm flavor. So in a circular motion, go ahead and stir it and add in all of the roasted nuts. So we're going to continue stirring it like this in circular motions. It also helps if you have a non-stick pan and use like a silicone spatula like this so that it doesn't scratch the bottom of your pan. And now once all the milk is absorbed, you can add 1 tablespoon of ghee if you want extra flavor, but it's completely optional. Now we're going to add in the KHOYA. We're just going to break it up into small bits. It looks really nice with the KHOYA. It adds a nice texture and a nice color contrast. But if you don't have the KHOYA, it's okay. You don't have to add it. And it's already done. We're going to plate it out into a bowl. So this whole dessert took less than 10 minutes to cook. It's so easy and it's so comforting. It's great for the whole family. Even the kids love this. So you can garnish it with more nuts, more KHOYA. And we love to serve this with a hot cup of chai and enjoy. We hope you enjoyed this video. give it a thumbs up, and see you in the next video with another delicious recipe. Have a nice day, stay happy, and stay blessed.